राहुल गांधीन मंत्री विश्वजीत राणेच्या आवाजातले रेकॉर्डिंग आयकोवपाचो यत्न केल्ल्यान संसदेचे अधिवेशन बुधवारा तहकूब केले। पण दुसरेकडेन गोयचो मुख्यमंत्री आणि आदलो संरक्षण मंत्री मनोहर पर्रीकारान हो आरोप न्हयकारला।
The entire procedure of the deal from the beginning to the end was bypassed. The defense minister, Mr. Parrikar, was asked whether he knew about the new deal that bypassed the old deal. Mr. Parrikar himself said, I have no idea about the new deal. The defense minister stated this. Ma'am, I would like to, in the spirit of the 21st century, I would like to play this recording. It is a recording of a minister in the Goa government where he is clearly stating something the chief minister of Goa has stated in a cabinet meeting.
आप इस तरीके से नहीं कर सकते हैं, राहुल जी, please listen to me. Nothing will going on record like this. You will have to know. इस प्रकार के ना allegation करेंगे. You have to authenticate it.
Okay, madam. If you are not going to give me permission because they are scared, I will read the transcript of the recording.
No, you have to authenticate it.
Good evening, sir.
I am sorry.
Boss, good evening. I had called today.
Rahul ji, please listen to me.
No.
Are you authenticating?
I called today. There was a.
It will not go something.
He can't make others speak alive.
1 minute. Are you authenticating the statement?
So, ma'am, I will not play the tape.
Not.
I will not play the tape. If it makes you happy,
No.
I will not play the tape.
The House stand adjourned to meet again at 2:30.
भलायकी मंत्री विश्वजीत राणेचे पत्रकार परिषदे उपरांत मुख्यमंत्री मनोहर पर्रीकारान ट्वीट करून ह्या वादग्रस्त रेकॉर्डिंगाचे स्पष्टीकरण दिले। सर्वोच्च न्यायालयान काँग्रेसीची फटिंगपणां उक्तडार हाडिल्ल्यान वस्तुस्थिती न्हयकारपा खातीर काँग्रेसीचे यत्न चल्ल्यात अशें पर्रीकारान ट्विटांत म्हळां। मंत्री मंडळाचे वा हेर कसलेच बसकेत हे विशीं चर्चा जावकच ना अशें ताचें म्हणणें। ब्युरो रिपोर्ट गोवा 365।